I started working on the 6th room. This will be the last room for this year. And this is the hallway where we're going to come in once the new stairs is built. So this is the old entrance for this room. And this room was always dark and cold. So what I did is put in a new door. So today I'm working on building the ceiling. It's actually getting cold now. So I'm going to build the ceiling and put the insulation. So I put the that 2x4 or 2x5 to support the ceiling. And that next room there, I won't actually renovate it this year, but I had to take a part of the ceiling to put that 2x5 in there. And this wall, it's an inside wall, but I'll put insulation since I won't be finishing that other room this year. So you can see I've been cutting lots of wood, lots of wood cuttings on the floor. So here is the new room. That was a closet for that room over there. And now in the winter there's actually going to be, for a short time in the morning, the light will actually go straight in here. And it's so bright compared to what it was before. And so obviously this here will be closed. So let's take a look from the other side. So here's where the new door is going to be. And obviously this will be finished actually quite soon. So because of the to support the ceiling, I have to put that 2x4 there, and to put it in I have to take part of the ceiling next door here. You can see where I put it in there. So that's a bit of a pain, but it's the only way to do it. And that's going to leave a hole for the winter. And for now there's a lot of dirt on the floor. And then to do the hallway, I'm also going to have to remove, this is the old one, I'm going to have to remove that I guess it's about 2x2 piece of wood, and then to put another one like this here. Because if you look at the hallway, then right now there's nothing to support the ceiling, so I need something to hold the ceiling in place, and that's going to be it. And so this is the new place. It's really nice. So if you look, that's the window over there, and you look 180 degrees, there's another window. So that really brightens up that room so much. It's really nice. So yesterday I was working on trying to figure out the wiring, and so this is, yesterday I sort of cleaned it up. It was all, because I moved the lights around, it was a little bit messed up, and it's kind of still messed up, but this is a little bit confusing. It's actually the connectors, and there's 2- and 3-way switches. I still haven't figured out how it works. Actually, I know how it's supposed to work, but it doesn't work. And this cable here, it goes into, used to be in a hallway, and now it's going to be in the middle of the big room. And even though all I did is change the location, the switches don't work anymore. I didn't touch the switches, but they don't work anymore. So I got to figure out how it works. And at the end, you see the fan over there. Before I close the ceiling, I'm going to wire it in. Right now I just use an extension cord until now, but before I close the ceiling, I'll put some wiring, and the switch will be right here at the top of the stairway. That when I put it in before, obviously I put in the drywall. See the cable up there. And actually Initially I was going to make this the access to the ceiling, the attic, but I'm going to change it just because it's at the top of the stair. Since there's not going to be, only going to be one door here, so I'm going to put the access right here. Over here it's going to be a wall, so that'll be right here, the access over to the attic. And so this is the other wall, and this switch will go at the top of the stairs to turn on the light when we come up. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. It's so bright, and of course also it there was two doors together and we couldn't open one if the other one was closed. Sorry, we couldn't open one unless the other one was closed, but now they won't be fighting each other, so that's nice. And also for heating in the winter, that's going to be much better this way. Okay. One more look at the room. And this wall, I'll just put some lath and then put the drywall directly onto it. Don't have to take it out. Okay, that's all for today.